What's up, y'all, and welcome back to Brittany Automotive. Future Brittany here. I'm actually currently traveling to Lubbock, Texas, so that we can start working on the 4th Gen again. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We have not finished the 6th Gen build, which means you guys need to watch this. This is going to be part 1 of the short block build. You guys get to watch me do the whole thing. And then next week is part 2 and getting it back in the car. Then make sure you subscribe so that you guys can watch it go to the dyno, see how much horsepower it makes, because I have not announced that, and then come back the next week so that you guys can see it at Rocky Mountain Race Week and see what all times we ran and how I felt driving the car for the very first time as somebody who is now sitting here post all of that. It's extremely fun and stressful, and you guys don't want to miss it. So let's go build this short block. The number one question I get asked by pretty much everybody is, how can I afford to buy a brand new car, brand new truck, build race cars, all of that on top of life in general, especially in this economy. And I'm here to announce that Rocket Money is the sponsor of this video. One of my favorite parts about Rocket Money is canceling subscriptions. It literally is just a couple taps and they are canceled. You do not have to call the company to try to cancel it. You don't have to get hassled over it. You literally let Rocket Money do all the work for you, and people are saving over $700 a year. I wanted to get on top of my expenses and be able to afford a new car and feel at peace with my decision. I actually downloaded the app and canceled several subscriptions that I had no idea I was even paying for, which is wild to me, but sometimes we just forget that we're paying for them and don't see them come out of our account. I also have several different streams of income, and they do get pretty confusing, and quite frankly, I forget how much money I make to know how much I can spend. So Rocket Money does break all of that down for me and makes it 10 times easier to know what I'm spending and when I need to stop spending. Another thing that I really like is their smart savings. You can literally choose an amount that you want to send to your savings account every single month, and they do it for you. So instead of having all of those subscriptions that are being wasted, once you cancel them, why not just start a savings account and start with the smart savings? So why don't you take control of your finances today and use the link down below and download Rocket Money. Future Brittany again. Hi, you guys. I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe so that you guys can see the finished build and putting it back in the car. Don't forget dyno videos with numbers. And then we are going to Rocky Mountain Race Week to race it, and you guys will see all of those time slips. So do not forget to come back next week. And thank you guys so much for watching.